Good day, sir. This is me, Chipman Pilimor, and today I'm going to demonstrate on how to cancel distress alert using medium frequency and high frequency. First, medium frequency. Switch off equipment immediately and switch equipment on and tune for radio telephony transmission on 2182 kHz and make broadcast to all station giving ship's name, call sign, and DSC number and cancel the false distress alert. Example, all station, all station, all station. This is motor vessel Jake, motor vessel Jake, motor vessel Jake. Call sign Romeo India Charlie Oscar 26. MMSI number 20277917. My position is 12 degrees 35 minutes north, 123 degrees 46 minutes east. Cancel my distress alert of May 10, 2024, 12:34 UTC. And in the high frequency, do the same procedure as for medium frequency, but the alert must be cancelled on all the frequency bands on which it was transmitted. Hence, in stage 2.2, the transmitter should be tuned consecutively to the radio telephony distress frequencies in the 16 MHz bands as necessary. This is Motor Vessel Jake, Motor Vessel Jake, Motor Vessel Jake, out.